Welcome back. Today we will talk about continue our course in React fundamentals. In this course, we'll try to answer the question that you may face in your React interviews. Today we will have the question is that what is the differences between element and component? So in React, the terms element and component have a specific meanings, and understanding the differences between them is important for like grasping how React works. So in terms of React element is a plain object that describes a DOM node and its attributes or properties. It's an immutable description object, and it's and is the simplest building block of React UIs. So let's just try to give an example here. So const, I'll call it element, and it just be h1 hello world. So elements are what G6 compiles to. They are lightweight and easy to create, and element can represent DOM tags like div, span, or h1, whatever it will be. And in this example, the element, the element variable is a React element. It tells React what we want to see on the screen, which is h1 tag with the text hello world. In other hand, the component, React component can be declared in two ways: as a function or a class. Components takes parameters called the props and return hierarchy of views to display via the render method for class component, or directly return for the function components. The components are reusable and manageable. Their own they can manage their own state. A component can return multiple elements, fragments, strings, numbers, booleans, or other components. So we have like a function. I will call it welcome. I'll call it component, and it will return hello world, or it takes props. It could take props, and I could just hello like this is props dot name or dot hello, for example. It whatever it will be, I will pass or maybe yeah, hello props dot name, maybe like hello props dot name, for example. Here welcome is a component. It's a function that takes props as an input and returns a React element. So in summary, an element is a plain object describing what you want to appear on the screen, and a component is a function or class that optionally takes input and returns a React element. The component can be reused and can contain logic and internal state, while the element is lightweighted description of what to render. So we can create like a state here and just change the name, or like have a new state, and we can have the props, and we'll see what we can do with it. But the element is just a lightweight description of what we just render. Just render hello world. But here we can reuse it. We can add logic to it. We can get props from parent components. We can return other components. We can have a state, and we can modify the state. That's it for today's video. And I hope my description is quite good. If you like my content, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll never miss a video. And see you in future problem.